Let's learn the alphabet together, autumn style. Are you ready? Let's sing our ABCs with falling leaves. A is for acorn falling from the tree. B is for breeze, gentle and free. C is for coat when it's chilly outside. D is for duck, splashing in the tide. Autumn, autumn, red and gold. Leaves are twirling, bright and bold. From A to Z we sing and play. It's an autumn ABC day. E is for ear of corn, yellow and sweet. F is for forest where animals meet. G is for gourd, funny and round. H is for hedgehog snuffling the ground. Autumn, autumn, red and gold. Leaves are twirling, bright and bold. From A to Z we sing and play. It's an autumn ABC day. I is for inside, cozy and warm. J is for jacket in autumn's charm. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for leaves, falling from the sky. M is for mitten, soft and small. N is for nuts, squirrels love them all. O is for owl, hooting hoo at night. P is for pumpkin, glowing so bright. Q is for quilt, colorful and neat. R is for rain boots, splashing on the street. S is for scarecrow, waving hello. T is for tree with leaves below. U is for umbrella when rain starts to pour. V is for village, autumn at the door. W is for wind, whistling a tune. X marks the spot, a pile of leaves zoom. Y is for yawn, bedtime's near. Z is for ziz, cozy dreams appear. Autumn, autumn, red and gold. Stories of nature gently told. From A to Z we sang today. Happy autumn, hip, hip, hooray. The end of our alphabet. See you next season.